Good. Just ¿Le gusta?
Sí, sí me gusta.
Yeah.
seen anybody who thought litter was beautiful.
Yeah. Well, yeah, but it's beautiful because you can pick it up. Like
Yeah.
somebody drops it, so people like who think it should be more beautiful, like me, will go pick it up.
Yeah. So I noticed you're very beautiful.
Oh, okay.
So you have pink hair.
Yeah.
And you look a little like, maybe a lot like, may I say, you want to be a woman.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's cool. In touch with my feminine side.
Yeah.
Yeah. I never was coming up, but I guess when I came up north, I would see how the gays were getting treated by straight people. Straight people thought, that shit didn't stink. And I was like, hey, leave him alone. He's gay. He's just gay. And then I also compared it because I had to have a roommate that was straight. And he was always like, well, I can lift more weight than you, or don't be looking at my girlfriend. Compared to a roommate that's gay, he's like nothing but good times happening. And I would rather, so that's how I turned gay.
I just became aware of, we used to think that there's men and there's women, and then there's gay people in between. But now, my thinking is there's this continuum. And maybe women are 1, men are 10, and we're all, a continuum.
Yeah.
So I'm a woman, and happy I am a woman, but I'm like a 4 or 3.
Okay.
Because I was an athlete.
Yeah.
I identified with the boys when I played.
Yeah.
As a kid.
Yeah, I have friends like that did the same.
Yeah.
So now I'm in touch with my feminine side, but I can still kick everybody's ass just as bad now. But I could still play basketball like that,
Yeah, yeah.
But,
so you don't want to be
but when I first started being homosexual, I started looking at things more like, oh, pretty birds, look at the river, look at, like I never looked at that when I was straight, heterosexual.
So is that because your hormones changed?
I guess, yeah, I think so.
And did you think your body naturally changed?
I adapted to it,
so you never took hormones?
I know I never did.
That's wild.
But I feel like I'm finally revealing who I was meant to be. And always like worried and kicking cans. What am I gonna do? And like me, look at me. A perfect example. I'm homeless. Got nothing. Got no money in my bank account. Car, assets, nothing. But I walk around telling like I do. Hey, how you doing? What's that? And just mingling with My sister told me because I was timid when I came out, and my sister said, no, your money is the same color as their money. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Put up that wall. And I've been putting up that wall, and it's been working. I like it.
You seem pretty happy.
Yeah. I mean, of course I do wish I had a mansion with 10 cars, but eventually, if I work hard and I play my cards right, it'll happen.
toda su vida en la Ciudad de México, cuando era México chiquito, en los años 50.
And someone commented today that a lot of these sculptures just not only looked like the person, but they seemed very human. And as a sculptor, I found if you can portray the likeness of a person, that's one thing. But if you are very accurate in that likeness, and you have that humanity in mind as you're working, they come alive.